Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch to your mobile phone with a QR code. First, ensure both devices have at least 50% battery life for a seamless and quick process. Next, download the specific companion application for your smartwatch from your phone's app store. Finally, open your mobile phone settings and turn on Bluetooth, confirming it is active and ready. With your devices ready, open the companion application you just installed on your mobile phone. Look for an option like Add New Device or Pair a Smartwatch within the app's main menu. From the available pairing methods, select the one that specifically mentions using a QR code to proceed. This action will initiate the QR code generation on your watch. Now pay close attention to your smartwatch screen. It should display a unique QR code. On your mobile phone, the companion app will automatically activate its camera feature, ready to scan. Carefully hold your mobile phone steady, aiming its camera directly at the QR code shown on your smartwatch's display. Ensure the entire code fits within the phone's frame for a quick and accurate scan. After a successful scan, both your smartwatch and mobile phone will display a confirmation message, indicating they are now paired. You will likely see prompts on your phone asking to accept data synchronization for contacts, notifications, and fitness data. Simply tap to allow these permissions. Finally, follow the remaining on-screen instructions within the mobile app to complete any initial setup steps, like setting your preferred watch face.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.